Hey guys, so it's Ozzy's birthday today and he's getting his puppuccino. Ozzy, get back, get back, get back, get back. It's okay. There we go. It is his birthday, so I decided to get him his puppuccino. He loves his puppuccino, so had to get it. Alright guys, so here he is. He loves it. So I just got myself like a matcha iced tea. I don't really get these a lot, but they're quite good when I get them. So I swear, I don't know the language of Starbucks, so I'm always like, can I get the small cup? And she's like, okay, yeah. But she knows me, so I was like, okay, cool. She's cool with it. Isn't it like other people like, oh, you don't know it? I was like, oh, sorry, I don't. All right, I'm gonna spend some time with the little guy. Hey guys, we are heading off to Chinatown. We wanna try some of the delicious desserts that are here. So we're just like exploring today, Chinatown, which is our favorite place to be because they have the best restaurants here. They have desserts. They also have like pho soup and everything. So it's just delicious. So let's go. All right guys, so we are actually looking for cakes, like delicious cakes, but there is a share tea, there is a 85 bakery cafe, and the paleta bar. Holy crap, the paleta bar looks so good. Let me show you. It's fresh gourmet Mexican pops. It's really cool. And look at this, look at that. That looks so good. That looks so delicious, you guys. There is chamoy ones, mango and chamoy. Ooh, and tajin. You know this one's good. Goodness gracious. All right, let's go. But we need to go find the actual cake that we want. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but it's kind of like, it's spongy. I don't know, but we will find it. We'll find it. That looks cool. Oh my god. Can we go in? Yep. Look at all this place, you guys.
What is this?
I don't know, but it caught my attention. So let's go in. Oh my god, these are so cute. This store is so freaking cute. God, look. This is so cute. Oh, wow. Look how light that feels. Look how cool this place is. Oh my god, that is cute. Wow. It has so much plushie. That is so cute. This is so cute. Sorry. French fries. Oh my god, these are cute. Sushi. Oh, they got all of these.
Cute is this?
That is so cute. We are eternally grateful. That is cute.
$8.
Oh my god.
It's so cool. I love this story.
I'm obsessed with this shop. What the hell? You want an egg peeler? You got it. Oh, that is so soft. Oh my god. Look at you guys. $10 for these little brushes that you can keep in like your little bag.
Nail manicure set.
That's a phone holder right there. Oh, look, they got glasses. They got mirrors.
This little fan when you're outside.
Lamp? It is a lamp.
Here's her door.
It's a night light. Oh my god, look how cute that one is. Look at that mirror, you guys. Look at this one. These are like little compact mirrors. Oh my god. Look how cute this is. You guys, look at that. This is how it looks. These are scented. Oh my god, we're making our rounds. Stickers.
Burgers and
It's a piece of toast. I love how it's just soft they are. That's the body of Ozzy. God. Headbands.
and like body scrubs.
Yeah.
Loofahs.
Oh. I love how they have theme, like Toy Story and stuff. So cute. Mugs. Where? Where? Oh my god. You guys, they have a Tamagotchi. Oh my god. That is cute. I'm coming.
Let's go down that way.
Obsessing over the shop, you guys. Oh yeah. They are comfy. I am obsessed with all these masks. Look at it. We go up here? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, okay, let's go. I think we found it, you guys. Oh, look at that.
Don't you like those little bathroom seats?
Yes. Woo! Wow. We're on top of the world. Alright, so we're here at Sweet Honey Desserts. Look at that. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh, this looks good. Oh, my favorite. Do you know what you're gonna get? I want those pancakes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, everything looks so good, you guys. I could literally order everything in this place.
Little pancakes, where are you?
I know.
There they are. Shuffle cake.
Oh
Or
no,
souffle
souffle cakes, I think. Holy crap, you guys. We found it. Oh, look at that coconut one.
Oh my god.
The mango.
Did you see that? This?
Yeah. What is that? Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
Alright, I think I know which one I'm getting.
Okay, which one?
I think I'm gonna do the cream cheese souffle pancake. This one here.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
I am gonna get the mango.
Mango one?
Yeah. Then we can kind of eat off each other's plates.
Do we want to get one of these two? Maybe something in the front, like also, just to taste, or what do you think?
Let me see.
Like, is there anything else?
No, because I just want that for now, and then we'll come back and like get. All right, guys, we're gonna try. Richard got the coconut. Of course, I got the mango. All right, guys. So Richard actually got the cream cheese one, right? Not the coconut. Oh my god. You guys, they made it like from scratch. So freaking good.
Like a mousse, huh?
Look how it jiggles. You can find like little things here. Like a compact mirror.
That store that you said you guys had over there, it's like this?
Morning Glory? Yeah. Oh, look.
Like Daiso and Morning Glory are kind of like the closest thing you guys get to like Dollar Tree, right?
Yes.
What? Are these just little magnets?
Puzzle eraser?
Oh, right, just erasers.
That's so flimsy.
There.
How much are they?
Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I'm looking at too. This is like one notch away from the
I have no idea, but definitely feels like paper. But this is good when you like need like little like knickknacks. Like that. Or like that actually. This is good. $5?
$5.
I'll give you $1. See, I was thinking we could, like this on top of that unit, but
People can make it look aesthetically nice.
that
It's
is
a little
true.
textured back. This is... You take a picture of it, see if it looks like the wall. It doesn't feel bad either.
For Ozzy,
Yeah, do you think Ozzy would approve?
I think so. Look,
I'm telling you, I think we have to build it for him instead of
I think
buying
so
one.
too. Yeah,
Like, I think if we get a few of these, maybe we get some type of material that's absorbent in the bottom.
yeah,
And
and just make it ourselves.
yeah,
That's not bad. Well, we now know where to go.
yeah, maybe we can make like a little border with this, like that.
You're onto something, Bubba. It's cute.
Look at these ones too. Little miso soup.
Oh yeah, look, they have like the cutest bowls. Oh, I could go for a pho soup right now. They got these nice glasses. That is cute. So I pretty much did a lot of cleaning, decluttering this place. I just want to show you. I decluttered a lot there. Here as well, there's nothing there. There's only those things, but that is clean. I cleaned the microwave. That top is completely clean. This still has some of the things that we use, but I pretty much cleaned the top part and put all the cups, like the plastic cups, away that we have. This I have to do with paper and make sure that they don't break. But yeah, this is pretty much our food. This stuff too, like that cabinet is, all of it is completely gone. This stuff obviously I have to put away, but we use it right now. That's our popcorn plates. There's cookies, rice, and water. So, but everything else is pretty much clean. This, you guys, is all the stuff that I have to chuck. It does not work anymore. It's faulty and just things that have broken and stuff. So I just got rid of it completely. This we're keeping. I just have to kind of find places, or like I think we need to get more boxes, because this is a lot of stuff. 4 boxes and I still have this. I'm just like, what happened? But yeah, all of our boxes are pretty much filled. Those things can go by themselves. Suitcases are already filled. That stand behind the tree is the TV stand that used to be here, but right now that's Richard's desk. This as well has to be covered like with paper, wrapped up nicely. Obviously it's glass and stuff, so I don't need it to break. And then right there's Mr. Ozzy going to his bed. He's so tired. He's so tired. He's watched Mum do a lot of cleaning and decluttering today. He's helped as well. I've also cleaned everything here. That spot has been there since we moved. This place actually was given to us really dirty, so believe it or not, I've tried to clean that and it just doesn't want to come off, because I do believe that this stain is from many years of not being cleaned out. I have always tried to keep the place clean, and I cleaned the oven as well. So we barely used it, so I cleaned it, but as you can see. But you guys, we actually got this apartment given to us very dirty, so I've cleaned it up. Very good for them. Excited to move. I cannot wait to move, you guys, and get out of this area. Believe it or not, me and Richard, when we first moved here, we really loved the downtown area. I feel like that's what we wanted to do, and we did. Does it have its perks? Absolutely. Does it have its negatives as well? Absolutely. But we're kind of tired of it. I think the main thing for us is how things are not so accessible to you when you live downtown. Like, you don't have the groceries that you need to go to. Like, we have a dog, so we need to go to like PetSmart. I want to go to Target. I want to go to Kohl's. I want to go, you know, to other places besides Smith's and Albertsons that is close to us. So that is one reason. The second reason is not having a place for Ozzy to go and play that's safe. Ever since we've lived downtown, he's had things on his chin because he loves to sniff and stuff, and because the place is so dirty all the time due to, you know, a lot of homeless being around, and they don't care. Like, they will literally do this #2 anywhere and everywhere. Even though me and Richard put gloves on Ozzy, his chin gets it the worst because he's a dog and he always loves to sniff. So that is one of the main reasons as well. I do want a place that's clean for Ozzy. He is getting a little chubby. He always gets a little bit more chubby during the summer because, you guys, like, I'm not going to take my dog at 113 degrees outside. You know, I literally just take him to poo and pee and then pick him up because I don't even get him to walk on the cement. You know, I do see some dogs walking and it just breaks my heart because I'm just like, to the owners, like, if you just take your shoes off and put your own bare feet on the cement when it's 113 degrees outside, that's not fun. You know, if it burns for you, it surely burns for your dog. So I barely take Ozzy out to do, like, I don't take him out to walk, so he puts on the weight a lot during the summer. But then during the winter, because we walk him a lot, he starts to get nice and thin again. So yeah, unfortunately for my little pooch, you know, I always want to make sure that he is taken care of 100%. So that is the reason why we're moving as well. It is a lot cooler near IKEA. That is the area that we're going to be moving to during the summer. Obviously not that much, but just a little bit. But I'm super excited because there's parks and they've kept them very clean. There's also just areas, you know, to walk and not have to worry about the most disgusting things that you have to see downtown over there. So yes, I am super excited. We do have a couple of weeks before we move, but I don't know if you're like me, but I'm a person that, like, I want to declutter everything before the time gets there, because when, let's say, you have a moving date and then you start to scatter everything, you know, you're just doing it quick. You're doing it in a rush time. That is not what I want. So I'm doing everything way beforehand. But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I will see you in my next apartment tour. I am editing a lot, so just be patient, but I am definitely gonna put them out this week. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.